Hey guys, we got our big package of Truman factory candy. Let's open it up if we can. Alright, so we got some worms, some peach heads, some apple drops, some gears. Oh, name a better duo is what the bracelet says. That's cool. We got one of those. Worms. Last one we got was drops inbound from these. Drops. Some cotton candy bears. We got another bag of cotton candy bears. And then that's amazing. I haven't gotten the chocolate bars yet. This one is dark chocolate. The other one here is also dark chocolate. Bars look fantastic with their artwork. Make sure to use our code, all capital, SPIGARMY, for a discount on some Truman Factory. We'll put the links down below for you guys to get some. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!